Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is meron tayo ditong property na napakalapit sa beach, no? Walking distance to the beach. So ito po yung kanyang aerial shot, as you can see here. Ayan. So yung beach po natin is located here at Calatagan, Batangas, beside ng resort po, no? So yan yung property, ayan, with development, no? And ito po yung surroundings niya. And it's just around 5 minutes from the highway. So cemented road po yung daan going to this property. Ayan po, as you can see. And going to bayan po ng Calatagan is napakalapit lang din po siya to the markets, bilihan ng mga everyday needs, no? And here, kung makikita nyo, ito po yung kalakihan ng beach dito po sa Batangas, no? So malapit po ito sa Little Boracay. Na sikat po dito po sa may Batangas, Calatagan. Ayan po yung property, as you can see on the red arrow. And ito po, yung pinapakita ko ngayon is yung concrete road papunta sa may property. So this one will have a guardhouse, and then there will be lines for electricity and water, perimeter fences, mga drainages po, and concrete roads na malalaki po. Merong mga 10, 8 meters, and 6.5 meters, no? And as you can see, ayan po, meron pong resort sa tabi po niya. And here guys, kung makikita nyo po, ayan po yung beach, no? Na napakaganda rin po. And meron po dyang mga sandbar, no? Na malapit. So dito po sa resort is meron pong 20% discount yung mga lot owners, no? If they want to go inside of it, no? And here, as you can see guys, yan, ongoing development yung ating project. Ayan. So meron tayong mga available lots. Ayan. And here guys, meron tayong available lot ng mga 150 square meters. Ayan. Sample na itsura ng ating projects kapag tapos na po siya. So actually, ito is silang Cavite din siya. Ganito yung mga sample natin ng mga finished projects. So no required house design po siya. As you can see, yan, depende po sa owner kung ano yung gusto nyo ipatayo na house. Ayan. So, different designs po yan. Magkakaiba po yung mga bubong. And pwede rin po kapagawa sa contractor nyo. And yan guys, may mga linya na rin yung Meralco for electricity. And meron na rin siyang water. At makikita nyo guys, malapad yung mga concrete roads dyan. Ayan. So, perfect na perfect siya for the getaway property. Meron ding basketball court. Merong multi-purpose hall and playground. Na talagang perfect na perfect para sa small family or you are with your kids para healthy living. Actually, maganda rin mag-walking dito. Lalo pagka madaling araw is naghahamog po dito. Dahil this property, ito pong develop na project natin is just around 8 minutes to Tagaytay boundary, no? Kaya napakalamig po talaga ng weather niya. So, ayan po yung ating video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. If you were interested, message nyo lang ako on my Viber or WhatsApp. Ayan po. Or if you are actually happy in this video, kindly hit yung ating subscribe button. And syempre, share more into other people. Baka naman magkaroon tayo ng other properties na magustuhan ninyo. So yun lamang po. Maraming salamat sa panonood and God bless.